Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. If you like DIY home projects, thrift makeovers, and easy to make home decor all on a budget, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. Thank you to Temu for reaching out to me and sponsoring today's video. By now, everyone must have heard about Temu at www.temu.com. But if you haven't heard about Temu, it's an online marketplace that offers affordable quality products to their customers. They have a large variety of crafting supplies, home decor, clothes, and so much more. They have up to 90% off for Mother's Day, so check that out. If you click on my Temu link and use my promo code SALE5752, you will receive an extra 30% off your first order. I'll leave the information in the description box. They offer free shipping on all orders, even in Canada, and a free return policy within 90 days. If you are new to Temu, you can also download their app for more perks. So check out the links to Temu and enjoy the shopping experience. Thank you again to Temu for sponsoring today's video. Today's video is going to be so much fun. Let's take a look at what I received from Temu. For the first item, it's a braided jute ribbon. I got this in two colors, coffee and creamy white. You get 10 meters in each one, and there is a lot for the price. The quality is excellent, and these are great for any kind of projects. This is a win, and I rate this item as a 5. I have 3 packages of wood beads with tassels. They're 32 inches long and the quality is really good. These are a perfect addition to any decor on a tray, shelf, or even hanging on a picture frame. You can never have too many of these and you definitely can't go wrong. You could paint them and stain them, but I'm going to leave mine as the natural wood color. This one is a win and I rate them a 5. Next, I have a flower clear stamp. The flowers have a really nice detail to them, and these are going to be great when I need a smaller flower or a bunch of flowers for smaller projects. This one is a win, and I rate it a 5. I received a butterfly-shaped mold. This one is smaller than expected. However, they will still make pretty butterflies with clay for smaller projects. I rate this one a 3. I also got a flower mold, and this one I was disappointed in. I can still make small flowers for those small areas that need a little more detail. I rate this one a 2. I have a 13-piece makeup brush set, and this is a definite purchase for you lovely ladies that love and enjoy using a soft brush when putting on your makeup. Oh my goodness, when I took these out of the bag, and the bag itself is soft, it's like a velour. I love the bag too. I knew this was a good choice, and this one is a win, and I rate it a 5. I got a cotton linen hanging bag. It comes in 3 different colors. It felt more like a plastic burlap than a cotton linen, but that's okay. It's probably waterproof, which will be good if it's being used in a bathroom. Either way, the quality is still good, and I would probably buy this one again. I rate this one as a 4. Next, I have a 30-pack retro vintage paper fragments. These are so nice. The paper is like a rice paper. It has a really nice satin touch to it, and it does come in different colors. And the detailing is really, really good. These are going to be great to decoupage on some small DIYs. This one is definitely a win, and I rate them a 5. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for being here. I hope you liked the items from the first bag, because wait until you see bag number 2. I will have all the links to all the items I received in the description box, and remember to use my code for that extra 30% off your first order. Let's see what's in bag number 2. I got 2 Boston Fern Greenery vines. I was really surprised on how large and full these were. I wish I had ordered more than just the 2 for my front porch. Stay tuned for that video of my front porch makeover. There are a lot of DIYs in that video, so stay tuned for my front porch makeover. These ferns can be used outdoors. They are UV resistant plastic. I didn't like the smell of them when I opened the bag. However, I will assume the smell will go away once they are outdoors, and it'll be interesting to see how well they hold up with the Canadian weather. So stay tuned for an update at the end of the summer. Right now, I'll rate them a 5. Let's see how well they make out. Now, I really love this one that I received. The Easter Bunny wall art on a canvas. This is a 12 by 8, and the quality is excellent with the picture and the canvas. Definitely worth the money. This can be used in so many different ways, like in a frame or decoupage it onto a piece of wood. You can't go wrong with purchasing this one. This is a win, and I rate it a 5. Totally cute. Absolutely adorable. I got 2 cute rabbit wall stickers that are so adorable. I will be putting these on my granddaughter's bedroom wall, and I will update you when it's done. They are a good size, good clarity, and the cutest wall decals for her wall. I rate this one a 5. I have another cute rabbit wall sticker, and I will be using this one for one of my DIYs. The bunnies look beautiful and realistic, and the quality, again, looks pretty good. And this one is a win, and I rate it a 5. You can't go wrong with buying these handmade jute cloth flowers. I got 2 packages with 10 in each one, and I can't wait to start using these with some of my DIY projects. These look really easy and simple to make if you have the time, but if not, the price is right, and they're all different, and the quality is really good. These are a definite win for me, and I rate them a 5. Another big win is the burlap jute ribbon with the cotton edge ribbon. I was really surprised when I opened up this package. The price is perfect for how much you get. The quality is stunning. I will be buying these in the future, and I rate this item a 5. Another big win is the spider web hollow lace. It's 10 meters long, and the price definitely fits the product. The quality is excellent, and it seems to be very strong and put together well. I will be making some beautiful bows with this one. I rate this item also a 5. I got 2 packages of Peony hydrangea flowers. I hope I said that right. I do struggle with that word. And these are the color Bean Paste. These are so sweet, and the vibrant colors were perfect for the china cabinet that I recently made over. Check it out. I'll leave the link in the description for you. I added the flowers beside the sewing drawer. These are perfect for a smaller space. I rate these flowers a 5. I have to say, I really wanted to try this one out. I got a storage cheese box, and it fits the package of cheese perfectly. You probably could use this container for other stuff. I can put the cheese slices in it. You can flip up the little flap. There's a little flap there, and pull out a slice of cheese, or you can take the lid completely off to get a slice out. I have to rate this item a 5 for sure. I may even purchase a few more of these. It was a really cool item to get. I received a gorgeous package of tulip stems. There's 10 pieces in a package, and these look and feel so real. I had bought some tulips on Amazon last year, and they're pretty much the same quality, except the price at Temu was a better price. and I will definitely be buying these again. They are going to look beautiful in the farmhouse picture, and I rate them a 5. I love Pampas grass, especially these ones. I ordered 2 packages for a total of 10 pieces, and that's 5 in each package. These are so soft to touch, and they're really full. These would look so beautiful, blended in with some other flower arrangements or even alone in a flowery vase. My granddaughter Alice loves touching these because they are so soft. I rate these a 5. I got a storage box that has bunnies as the handles. The box is made of a sturdy plastic, and I think it's going to last a long time. I love the bunny handles, and it's a sweet addition to our normal storage box. I rate this one a 5. This next item was a surprise to me when I opened it. I got a utility knife set. The great part about this, it looks like a pen, and for safety reasons, I think this is perfect, especially if you have small children that like to get into your stuff. The knife is very sharp, and it comes with 5 replacements. I rate this one a 5. It's definitely a win for me. I have a cartoon transparent stamp. The detailing on the flowers and the mason jars are excellent, and I can't wait to use this one. This is a win for me, and I rate this item a 5. I got a bag of 100 pieces of half wooden beads. They're 15 millimeter in size, and you can't go wrong with the price. I rate this item a 5. I'm really excited to use this next stamp, and the detail quality looks good, and this will be perfect for those smaller projects. I rate this stamp a 5. I have a leaf-shaped mold. It's much bigger than I expected, and the detailing looks really good. I'll rate this one a 5. I ordered a lady head photo frame mold. It is small, but it's still great for those smaller DIYs. Right now, I'll rate it a 4 based on the appearance. I love the next stamp, Merry Christmas bird stamps. The details are beautiful. I'm rating this item a 5 for its beauty. The next item I have mixed feelings about. I want to try this 3D foam self-adhesive trim. It's not what I expected, and it kind of feels different. I'm not really sure about this one yet. I've never used this type of product before, but I'm going to give it a chance. I will definitely be painting it a different color. Right now, I'll rate it a 3, but it could change. One of my favorite items I got is this uppercase vintage alphabet stamp. The wood box is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful, and the stamps are well made. This would make a wonderful gift for a crafter, or adding it onto a tray as a piece of decor. Either way, it's worth buying, and I rate this item a 5. I love the colors of these daisy flower heads. They come in a package of 50 and have a silky touch to them. The quality is good, and these will look so pretty on a frame or even in a small dish on a table. I rate these flowers a 5. I ordered 2 packages of plastic jewelry accessories in beige and white. The sizes are from 6 to 20 millimeter, and you get 100 pieces in each package. These will look so pretty added to homemade flowers, pretty much anything that you want to add a few dainty embellishments. I just wish there was more flower shapes. These are really cute. So I rate this item a 4. I got a package of 150 pearls. They are a mixed size from 3 to 8 millimeter. There are more smaller beads than the bigger ones, but for the price, they're still a good buy. I rate this item a 4. I ordered a package of 30-piece metal book corners. These are really cute, but they're not solid. They easily bend, so I wouldn't use them on a large project like a table. I really do like them, and they will be a good addition as an embellishment on my DIYs. I also like the plastic case to keep them all together, and I rate this item a 4.5. I like this 2-piece antique corner brackets. These are really cool. They look old and the bronze color is so rustic. These would look really nice on a tray or even a frame. I rate this item a 5. Another favorite item I got is this vintage rabbit pendant necklace. I love this one so much. You can get different themes, and this one is called Kissing Bunny. For the price, you need to grab a few. The quality is really good, and I'm impressed over the details on the pendant. I rate this item a 5. Okay, this one, I was kind of speechless. At first, I had no idea what it was. The silicone is thick, and it feels really different. I didn't like the feel of it. I'm not sure how it's going to look when I make one. Right now, I can't give it a rating. I will update you how this angel turns out when I do try it out. So, yeah, I'm kind of speechless. Hopefully, it'll look the same as it does on the website. Another favorite for Christmas is the Holy Night canvas. The quality of the canvas is excellent, and the rustic print is detailed so well. This one is a win, and I rate it a 5. Okay, ladies, if you're looking for a beautiful scarf, this is worth every penny. The silky touch is way beyond my expectations. I'm going to purchase a few more in different colors. The quality and detail of this scarf is one of the best that I've ever had in my collection so far. Awesome item to purchase for sure. I rate this beauty a 5. I'm sharing another canvas I received. I can't get over the quality of these canvases that I've ordered. I'm so thrilled over the quality and definitely wasn't expecting that. I can't wait to frame these ones and put them in my she shed. These are so cute for that girly space. This is a win, and I rate this item a 5. Another great inexpensive item is this 4-piece vintage bronze corner box feet. I'm going to use these on the bottom of a sewing drawer that I have. The quality is good, they're sturdy, and they look very rustic. And for the price, I'm giving myself some more feet. I rate this item a 5. The next item is a classic rabbit metal 10 sign. And I love this. It's so shabby chic, and it can be used all year round. The only thing disappointing was the tin came bent in a couple of places, and that's mainly because the packaging needs to be more strong and secured. So for that reason, I rate this item a 4. We're at the end, and overall, most items received a 5. I'm very happy and excited over the items that I received, and I can't wait to place my next order. So do I recommend Temu? Yes, I do. So go check out their website, and remember to use my promo code SALE5752 for 30% off your first order. Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. I want to say thank you to everyone who joined me today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.